Hello, my name is David McFarland and I am a High Court judge sitting in the Royal Courts of Justice in Belfast. I was appointed to the High Court just over a year ago in November 2020, and it has been a very interesting experience. After sitting on the County Court bench for many years, I found the High Court work to be more varied and, in some cases, more complex. Initially, I was appointed as presiding coroner, which was largely an administrative role. I was also given responsibility for judicial review and Queen's Bench litigation arising out of legacy matters. In addition, I was hearing cases in the Commercial Hub, the Chancery Court, and in the Family Division. In September 2021, I was assigned as the Senior Family Judge, which is now the primary focus of my work. So it has been a varied and stimulating workload so far. Prior to the High Court, I was a County Court judge for 22 years, including the last 8 years as Recorder of Belfast. The most obvious difference between the County Court and the High Court is the heavy workload in the Crown Court for County Court judges, although some can be assigned to deal with civil and family business. However, this has not been my only experience of judicial office. I started my legal career in 1979 when I was admitted as a solicitor and commenced practice in Belfast, handling a full range of private client work, including non-contentious work and civil and commercial litigation. I undertook some part-time judicial work in 1988 when I was appointed as a chairman of tribunals in what is now the Appeal Service. In 1993, I was appointed as a deputy County Court judge, and 5 years later was made full-time. I found working as a part-time judge particularly helpful, as it assisted me to decide whether or not I had an aptitude for a full-time appointment. Initially, I sat throughout Northern Ireland, and in 2004 was assigned to the division of Fermanagh and Tyrone, being responsible for all work, criminal, civil and family, in what is a very busy division. There is no doubt that my journey through the judiciary helped prepare me for the role of High Court judge. It developed skills in case management, exercising judgment and decisiveness, and helped me to master a wide range of unfamiliar areas of law. For those who are concerned about working in unfamiliar areas of law, I would like to reassure you that there is an immense bank of support for judges. The Judicial Studies Board provides formal induction training and refresher training. In addition, I have found colleagues to be a huge support to me, particularly looking back to my early days as a judge. If you are attracted by the challenge of dealing with complex and interesting cases across the legal spectrum, I would recommend the role of High Court judge. My advice to potential applicants is both simple and obvious. Thoroughly research the role and make use of the additional resources that NIJAC provides. I have experience of being on both sides of the interviewing table, and it is important that you carefully study the personal profile and provide examples that address the abilities, qualities and skills in any written work, in your application form and during the interviews. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best with the selection process should you choose to apply.